Guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I am going to make a drink with some tangerine, cantaloupe, carrot, ginger, and I will add a lemon to it. So guys, I'm going to wash all my ingredients and get back to you all. So guys, we are going to prep our fruits. Let me put this aside, and we are gonna just cut the back part of the carrot. I'm gonna turn this cutting board around. So we're gonna get the carrots out of the way. Carrots are good for eyesight. And now we are gonna peel our tangerines. These are so juicy. And guys, I don't throw away the skins. You know, I try and make something out of them. You can make jam and much more. Guys, this along with the carrot is going to be very refreshing. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in again this week. For all the healthy stuff that I'm trying to offer. And you know, I might just put one apple, just one apple in, and we're going to leave some of the rind on it, just a little bit of rind. I don't want it to be strong. I'll take a little bit more off. Yeah. Maybe, I'm not sure yet. I think I'm gonna skip the apple for this week and try and see how, because I've made this with the apple. We're gonna exclude the apple from this drink and just use the rock melon. So we are using 6 tangerine. Now we are going to peel our rock melon. So guys, when I'm away from work, this is what I do. I make up juice, batches of juice for like 3 days. So we're gonna cut into a rock melon, and guys, this looks real juicy and nice, real juicy and nice, and it is so cold. Most time when I make the juice, because of everything is in the refrigerator, they come out so, the juices come out so cool and nice. I must do some research to see what these seeds have to offer. And guys, I can tell you, this is such a lovely fruit, the rock melon. So everything in here, let me see, I'm gonna leave just a slice of it to see if I can add it to my decoration, which is this. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. And guys, I try my best to put together every week something different. It's very hard, but I try for my subscribers. So we'll cut up our ginger. And guys, we are gonna start the juicing. So let's cut the video and put our juicer together, and I'll be right back with you. So guys, I'm gonna turn on the juicer. So guys, I'm gonna pop the tangerine in. We're gonna keep going, just keep going. And there you have everything being crushed and squeezed the juice out. So we add no sugar in our juice here. I'm gonna pop a carrot in at the top. There you can see the carrot going down, being crushed, squeezed, and going into the mixing bowl. Here you have a close-up look. We're gonna pop our lemon in. So guys, we're gonna pop another tangerine in, and guys, you know that tangerine, including, they have a lot of antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin A, which contribute to the immune function and the skin health. So guys, why wouldn't you want to try this drink? This drink also support and provide cancer fighting properties and improve the brain, the skin, and the heart health. So let's pop some more fruits in as we go. You can see that the mixing bowl is almost full. And of course, for those who don't know the juicer that I'm using, it's Covin Revo 830. Guys, we are gonna let out our first batch of juice. Here you go. This is beautiful, and I smell the tangerine with the carrot and the cantaloupe. Wow. So guys, we're gonna pop in our ginger. I did put some in already, but we're gonna pop in what's left. Let's go over and look to see what we have. So we have these left. Let me see, this is just a piece that got away in here. So we have all of this. So we're gonna juice these now. So we're gonna pop our carrot in, and then we're gonna turn on our. So guys, let's talk a little bit more about tangerines. It's very rich, and guess what? Tangerine is healthier than oranges. There we have the carrot going down, looking so nice. And not only do they contain more vitamin A, they are also high in fiber and has more vitamin C. They are lower in calories, which makes them good for diets. Tangerine decrease the risk of heart disease and also improve blood sugar levels. So there you have it, guys. Our mixing bowl is almost half. So we're gonna pop our tangerine in and continue with the carrots, some ginger, and we're almost at the end of the video where we're gonna let out our juice. So let's get to that part. So we're gonna pop our carrot in, and then we're gonna turn on our. So studies have found that flavonoids in citrus fruits have the ability to reduce inflammation markers in the body, improve blood flow through the arteries, increase bone density, and reduce asthma. So this drink that I'm making, guys, do your research. I'll list some of the things, all the benefits in the description box. So I'm popping some fruits in the top of the juicer, and here you have the carrot going down, and everything is in squeezed and crushed, and we get the natural juice, and that's what we want. So guys, let's talk about carrot. Carrots support the immune function and wound healing, digestive health, and will also reduce the risk of some cancers. So it's good to add it to this drink. So now we have our mixing bowl is full, and it's about time that we let our juice out. So let's, guys, we are going to let out our second batch of juice. Here you go. Wow, look at this, guys. My goodness. And guys, you know this color is rich and it's good for your eyesight and much more. As I want a little bit more, so I popped in tangerine. So guys, let me mix up, give it a little stir, and we are going to pour it in our jars. Let's hope it full. This one almost. I'm gonna turn the juicer on and get some more out. I have some more carrots. I'm gonna just do it to get some more juice. Give me 5 minutes. So guys, here we are doing just a small bit that we need to top up our juice jar. So that's the small amount that I went and did over, so I can fill that jar up. So let's pour the small amount that I've made. Yes, and I'll put the rest in this one. Now we have two full jars, guys. And I'm gonna decorate, so I'm gonna pop these rosemary in, just like that, and we're gonna put some carrots around it, and I think I will just open the tangerine like that. I'll cut these in small pieces, just like that, and I'll add them to one side. I won't spread them around. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Hope you all will try this drink. Let me pop my straws in. I'll use 2 orange straw this week. So there you have it, guys. I won't be putting on the lid. Sometimes you have to do it different. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all will enjoy this drink and try it, guys. If you drink this 3 times a week, your body will love you. Please don't let your body scream at you for anything. Don't put the bad thing in. Try and put the good thing in, so your eyes will be saved, your body, your organs will work in unity. So bye for now, guys. Health is wealth. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, and thank you all for watching.